MyFavorito makes it easy for you to share the work with your colleagues by allowing each club to have multiple admins. As an admin, your colleagues will be able to access the dashboard as well as the admin settings in the MyFavorito app. All admins will receive notifications from MyFavorito when actions need to be taken in the dashboard. For example, a prize has been won in the prize draw, or images have been uploaded to an image contest. In the navigation toolbar, hover over Settings and click Admins from the drop-down menu. At the top of the page, you will see 4 tabs: General, Payouts, Admins, and Add. Click Add. Now all you have to do is enter the email address of the person you wish to make an admin. It's important to note that to be an admin, you must already have a MyFavorito account. So ensure that your team members have already signed up to MyFavorito via the app or website. Your colleague will then receive a confirmation email from MyFavorito with more information about accessing the dashboard.